everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you some varieties of kurtis with skirt pattern or lehenga pattern. So let's get started. If you have any party wear kurti like this with a heavy embroidery work, then you can make this type of satin silk lehenga or skirt and do some zari work or stick some patchwork on in the bottom of the skirt, and you can put some laces also in the dupatta and in the bottom of the skirt, and you can pair this with your party wear kurti, so it will create another kind of a party wear look which is very dramatic, and you can wear it in simple occasions like mehendi, sangeet, like this one also, because this is very much comfortable to wear and looking very pretty also. If you have these kind of kalidar anarkali kurti, then you can try this type of golden skirt and put some broader border in the bottom of the lehenga or skirt to make it like a double layer kurti. So this is again another pattern you can make with your simple anarkali kurti. If you have any front slit kurtis, if it's plain in color, then you can try this type of printed cotton skirt with this, and this is also very comfortable to wear in summers, and this also create a very great look for college wears and daily wears. You can also wear this kind of printed skirt with the side slit kurtis too. If you have any asymmetrical kurti like this, and if it's printed, then also you can try this type of plain chiffon skirt, and you need to hang some tassels in the bottom of the kurti to give it this kind of look. If you have any block printed kurti like this, then you can try this type of printed cotton skirt or lehenga with this, and with block printed you can also try plain fabrics, plain cotton fabric lehenga also like this, and stick some borders in the bottom of the lehenga to match it with your kurti. If you have any brocade kurti, then you can make this type of raw silk fabrics skirt or lehenga. It should be plain in color, and the kurti must be like this brocade fabric, golden one. Then you can pair it with this kind of contrast color look, so it will also create a party wear look for your outfit. If you have this type of heavy kurti, then also you can try this brocade fabric skirt with this, and pair it with the same color dupatta to give it a contrast color look. The brocade the brocade kurtis also can be paired with this plain fabrics, cotton fabric skirt, and you can put this broad golden fabric in the bottom of the skirt to match it with your kurti. If you have this type of block printed fabric only, then you can make the kurti and skirt both with the same pattern also, so this also create a vertical kind of illusion, so that your height will look taller. If you are short heighted, then this pattern is for you, and pair it with this type of contrast color dupatta, so that that will create again a very nice party wear look for your occasions. So I hope you like this video, and if you like these ideas, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.